Every day, millions of people wake up ready to live their lives, only to face challenges most others never even notice. For some, the world appears in shifting shadows, blurred shapes, unexpected obstacles. A puddle, wet leaves, long grass, a low branch, an uneven path. Tiny details that can bring everything to a halt when sight is limited. For others, it's sound that fades. The car approaching from behind, a bicycle rushing past, an alarm that should warn of danger. When hearing weakens, the world becomes unpredictable. And for those with mobility conditions, Parkinson's, nerve deterioration, chronic pain, even standing, sitting, or taking a careful step can feel uncertain. But these challenges are not due to a lack of strength or determination. They come from lacking the senses others take for granted, the basic awareness that keeps us safe and confident. And when those senses fade, life can feel like being trapped in an invisible cage. The life you want to live is right there, but something always slows you down. Not because of a lack of support, but because current tools force you into the slowest lane possible. But what if that could change? What if a system could help compensate for those lost senses? Detecting hazards, understanding the environment, and communicating it back to you instantly, that is what we've been working on. Backed by over 20 years of experience, 15 years in advanced technology development, and more than 8 years working with machine-based intelligence long before AI became mainstream, our team has delivered solutions across multiple fields. But this project is different. This one has the potential to help millions, and for many of us, it's personal. Our own team members and families live with sensory and neurological challenges. The system we're developing uses multi-core artificial intelligence paired with our own flagship model, designed for strong performance and long battery life. It works both online and offline, so you stay protected even during outages, and your privacy remains intact. It blends multiple sensor and communication methods, including vibration feedback for real-time alerts, audio guidance, optional visual notifications for deaf users, ultrasonic object detection, LiDAR scanning, image recognition, audio mapping and sound classification, plus several detection methods we're keeping secret for now. All of this forms a modular sensory platform built not as a gadget, but as a rehabilitative system, one designed to help people function wherever possible, more like someone with full sight, full hearing, and full environmental awareness. Not perfectly, but meaningfully, confidently, independently. And we want your feedback. Tell us what slows you down. Tell us what challenges you face. Your voice will shape this system. We are still in development. Your support helps us build the technology the right way. You can support this project because you believe in its mission, or you can choose one of our optional tiers. Every contribution helps accelerate a system built to restore awareness, improve safety, and offer millions of people a genuine second chance at independence and freedom. Thank you for believing in what this technology can become, and for helping us build a future where no one is held back because their senses held them back.
Hello, if you've made it this far through the video, then congratulations and we thank you. We just wanted to have a quick chat about a few of the points raised in the video and clarify a few things. So, who are we? Well, we're a technology company working in the United Kingdom. We've been going for about 15 years and we've got experience before that as well. Between our development team, we've each got about 10 to 20 years experience. We've done medical devices, we've done defense grade devices, we've done laboratory and industrial robotics before, and now we are working on a device intended to help improve the lives of disabled people and possibly even save lives while we're at it. With this system, it can give people information about what's going on in their environment that they didn't have access to before, through visual notifications for a person who's hard of hearing or deaf, vibration feedback for a person who doesn't have much perception of sound or vision, through audio feedback for a person who's blind, or through various other support methods to aid the person who is suffering from other ailments. Firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Paul, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing these sunglasses, firstly, they're not sunglasses. These are glaucoma goggles. I'm not wearing them to look cool. I have glaucoma, severe pigment dispersion syndrome, and I've already had operations. It can't be helped. So this is my state of vision, and I wear this now because although I can't really see anything anymore, I do feel pain caused by light. We're using LED lights to film this video, and if I take these off right now, the light is generally quite painful. So it's not to obscure who I am or to try to look cool. So I live with a disability, and a lot of my team members do as well. We've got severe tinnitus on our team, which is ringing in the ears, which prevents the person from hearing speech, and some days they can't hear anything at all. So that person that I know, they have visual feedback. They have either subtitles, you send them typed messages, things like that. That's how they interact. So this system we're developing, it's a system designed to be used by people who suffer from various different ailments, and the idea is that it can communicate with them in a way that they can respond to. So the system can be configured to give audio feedback for people who can't see, visual feedback for people who can't hear, or vibration feedback as a combination for whoever. Imagine having a vibration on your shoulder, like being tapped on the shoulder. If the system detects a car coming from the right, you didn't hear it because you can't hear. You didn't see it because you can't see. You have a second potential lifeline there if you can get some sort of kinetic feedback from what's going on around you. Now, we're keeping the technology fairly under wraps, and you're probably wondering, don't they have a name for this system? We're not releasing anything about that because we haven't registered them yet as trademarks. So we are keeping those under wraps, and we're keeping the technology and the sensor methods that these systems use fairly under wraps as well. We do have a working prototype, and in the video you may have seen this. Now this is a wrist strap module designed to collect data and feedback from the environment and send it back. But I'm not going to lie to you. This is an empty box, coated in white, attached to a Velcro strap. It's empty. There's nothing in this. This is purely to demonstrate what we're aiming for. But we will make the original concept fit inside this, preferably more discreet, because no one wants to walk around with a big white box on their sleeve or ankle or wherever. The idea is you would actually have 4 of these, one on each ankle and one on each wrist. So you'd have 2 down there and 2 up here. They collect information from the surroundings, and they report that information back to the user through whichever means is accessible to them. These devices are extremely intelligent. They actually use a proprietary artificial intelligence system that we've developed ourselves. The problem we have at the moment is, because our system uses so many methods, and because the processing is quite high, getting it to run off a small battery and getting it scaled down to fit into a small enclosure, box, or wearable piece of equipment like this is not an easy task. We have a prototype. I'm going to show you the back of it. It's somewhat bigger. If you imagine trying to fit that inside there, along with the battery as well, not going to happen. So our current development processes revolve around miniaturizing the technology we have and optimizing it to draw a lot lower power consumption. Effectively, we make the design a lot more intelligent. It doesn't require so many things to be running at the same time. So we've got the technology, the methods that it uses to detect stuff, all of that's worked out already. We have the ability to detect vehicles, animals. If you've got any thoughts, can it work if you've got a guide dog? Yes, it can. The device can be configured to work with a guide dog. It can be configured to work as protection if you're walking down an alleyway, for example, it can keep an eye on what's going on behind you, see if someone's sneaking up on you. It can tell you. The device can also perform various different tasks, including recognizing certain objects. You may one day be able to use this device to perform other tasks as well besides simple mobility. This suite, we are hoping, can help millions of people to live slightly faster. All of us here, all of my associates, whether they are local or distant, they all have the same thought when it comes to having these disabilities. It's that they slow you down. They limit you to living slowly. Everything you used to be able to do, it's almost like it's got a restrictor on it. You can't do what you used to do anywhere near as fast. With the right assistance or training, you can usually find ways to just about achieve what you used to do, but it's not the same. This system is intended to speed things up a little, to integrate reasonably good life flow into everyday tasks to keep things moving. Imagine being able to do the stuff you used to be able to do almost as good as you used to be able to do it, or in some ways better. You may be wondering, why are we on Kickstarter at all? Why did we choose this platform? Well, we thought it would be a very good way of combining raising funds for the next stage in our project with gauging public awareness. We really want to know how many people are interested in this project and how many people want to see it brought to life. That's the main reason why we're here. If we just wanted to raise cash, we potentially could have gone to a bank or just saved up from another project, but we thought that this would be a good way of accelerating things, raising capital, but of course seeing how many people really want this project to succeed. This effectively functions as a research and development project. We've already got a working prototype, it's just a question of scaling it down, so it is very likely that we will be indeed delivering a working system. However, the only risk here is timescale. This is not a 5-minute job. It's not something we're going to have done in 2 or 3 months. This is likely to be a minimum of 9 months, and we're going to say a realistic maximum of 2 years. So it could be anywhere between, say, 6 months, 9 months, or 2 years to actually get this product onto the shelves. We're not looking at a massive risk of whether we're going to deliver anything at all. The risk here is just a question of how long is it going to take. Working with a disability, as I'm sure the point of this video is not an easy job, and because I'm one of the main designers on this project, I'm not quite as fast at working as I used to be. If you do pledge, we do promise to give you updates at the very least once per calendar month, which we think is very reasonable. So, hoping that none of what I've just said has put you off, we really hope that you like this project and that you support it, and I look forward to hearing your ideas. If you have any of things or features you'd like to see integrated into this design. And just to say a big thank you from all of the development team here, and have a lovely day. Thank you in advance for your pledge. Goodbye.